quite a unique programme. I'd not seen anything specifically focused on red meat for young people, and I was looking to upskill.
Oedd yn gyfle I fi mynd mas, cael gyfleoedd I gwrdd â bobl o fewn y sector coch.
I just thought it was something different, and I really wanted to engage with different people in the industry as well as the company I work for.
It's been invaluable.
It's been really varied.
We've travelled the width and the breadth of Wales.
I ni wedi cael cyfle I glywed wrth o dietitian.
We've met with a number of retail representatives.
We have met people who are on the top of their game.
Ni wedi twtio ar marketing.
Organisations that have taught us everything from farm to fork in terms of science.
Environmental and land management, meat quality, consumer insights.
Ni wedi twtio ar maith, ar amgylchedd. Felly, cael real persbectif o'r sector coch.
Meat.
Interesting.
Eye-opening.
Inspiring.
Thought-provoking.
Progressive.
Passion.
Networking.
And informative.
It provides you with invaluable experience in the fact that you get to meet leaders within the industry.
Mae wedi bod yn unigryw a brofiad real ffantastig.
The experiences, the people you're going to meet.
You get to create connections with like-minded individuals your age.
It is priceless.